coconut, roasted pork, a bunch of different stuff. I'm gonna let them try out a coconut. Right, Violet? Look at me. Say, yeah. You ready to taste? She's hungry, so we gotta feed her. Alright, anyways, guys, so sorry about the wind. I'm on my cell phone. Let me clean it. We're gonna grab some of the food from the local market, like I was stating earlier. I'm here with Bree, myself, Violet, and she is ready to eat. Yeah, I gotta put food in that tummy. I'll show you guys what we're getting pretty soon, so hold tight. So when it comes to the food, again, we have the barbecue corn, we have the barbecue chicken sticks, and they have two different types of, what is it, popcorn, not popcorn, corn on the cob. You guys can see on the grill over there as it is frying. Alright, so these are some of the fruits again, fresh exotic island fruits. So apple, banana, sweet pineapple, mango. I'm not going to pronounce all of them. I'm pronouncing the ones I know, right? So we got sauerkraut, papaya, dragon fruit, coconut, sugar cane. We got avocado, star, apple, guava, eat fresh, or buy local. Well, that's not the fruit. But yeah, these are some of the fruits. If we have any room in our bellies later, we will try them out. But until then, we will be back. Look at Violet trying to eat her first shish kebab. No, but they had the barbecue. He ran out of pork because he ran out of pig. He ran out of chicken because he didn't eat chicken off the list. Alright, we're moving on to the corn. It's pretty good. This one is garlic corn, and that one is Parmesan.
Like Mexican corn, street corn.
It resembles street corn, but it's their own version of whatever. Because it's called like kaua or something. Yes, it was. She's back there digging. Hold on, let me show y'all. She's back there digging into this. Oh, it don't let me zoom. You like the corn, Vi? Now, what's amazing is they also give us floss. And I was like, why would I need?
Because they know.
Floss. Yeah. It gets all in your tooth. Alright, I come bearing gifts. Violet gets a water. And Bree gets to choose.
I'll take this one. That one's gonna be the sweetest.
He closed. He put everything up. They said they only open for a few. It's not sweet.
This is for me. It's fresh pineapple.